Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and healthy. So students, as you know that we're on the topic adolescence and related problems. In a previous video, we have studied the different phases of growth in humans. Then we have studied what are the changes that take place during adolescence phase, such as physical changes as well as social and emotional changes. So today we will see the problems which a teenager is facing during adolescence phase. So during teenage, both boys and girls, they become vulnerable to many form of troubles and challenges in life, such as nowadays during adolescence, if they are not given proper guidance, then they may start drinking, smoking, drug abuse. Then they may also be vulnerable to get sexually transmitted diseases and other problems such as unwanted pregnancies. They are also common during adolescence phase. So therefore, this adolescence phase, which is a very critical period, and it is the transitional period, between childhood and adulthood. During this phase, the teenagers, they need proper guidance. They need proper emotional support from family and friends. So another topic in your syllabus is stress management. First of all, you should know what is stress. It is the state of mental or emotional strain. In simple terms, it is the feeling of being under pressure, and it is also known as tension. So stress means when a person, he or she feels that he is under some pressure, under some tension, that is known as stress. So stress, it may be caused by both good and bad experiences. When people, they are in stress, in their body there is a release of hormones. So these hormones, they make the heart to beat faster. The person who is under stress breathe faster. So which hormone we have studied in the previous videos? It was adrenaline hormone. If you remember, it was adrenaline hormone. So adrenaline hormone, it is the emergency hormone which is secreted under stress conditions of the body. So when a person is in stress, the emergency hormone, that is adrenaline, is secreted from the adrenal medulla. So what are the results of this hormone secretion? The person who is under stress, their heart rate increases. The person who is under stress will breathe faster, and their heartbeat also increases. So now let us see what are the effects of stress. So the stress, it produces number of symptoms, both physical and mental symptoms. The person who is under stress, his or her physical health declines, and he or she may undergo mental depression also. So the effects of stress are such as weight gain, weight loss, it is also very common. Then difficulty in sleeping, stomach pain, irritability, headache, heartburn, cardiovascular diseases. These are very common when a person is under stress. So stress management is the only way to live happy and successful life. So let us see what are the ways of stress management, how we can reduce the stress by changing our lifestyle, by changing our thought processes, by changing emotions and the way we deal with the problems. These are some of the techniques. Stress management is some of the techniques which helps to work more effectively, that help people to work more effectively, and it helps to reduce the stress. So some of the stress management techniques are yoga and meditation, exercise, hobbies, sports, music, reading, laughing, recreation, rational thinking, positive thinking, time management. So these are some of the ways by which a person may reduce the stress. So in today's video, we have studied what are the problems which a teenager face during adolescence phase. Then we have studied about the stress, what are the effects of stress and the ways to reduce stress, that is stress management. So this is all for today. Take care everyone.